In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an order bump to your Stan Store checkout. An order bump is a small optional offer that appears on the checkout page right before someone completes their purchase. It's a great way to increase your average order value by suggesting a related product that complements what your customer is already buying. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step so you can set it up quickly and confidently. First, log into your Stan Store account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look over to the left-hand side and find the section labeled My Store. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up your store view, where you'll see your store header along with a list of all the products you currently have set up. From this list, choose the main product where you want to add an order bump. This should be the primary offer that most of your customers buy, because the bump will appear alongside this product at checkout. Click on that product to open its editor. Inside the product editor, look towards the top of the page. You'll see several tabs you can switch between. Find the tab labeled Options and click on it. This is where you can control additional settings for that product. On the Options page, look for the section called Order Bump. You'll see a toggle switch there. Turn this on to enable the order bump feature for this product. Once it's enabled, a drop-down box will appear. Click on the drop-down and select the product you want to use as your order bump. It's important to know that order bumps can't be free products. They must be paid products, and they need to be one of the following types: a digital download, a course, or a community product. So before you set this up, make sure the product you want to offer as the bump is already created in your store and set as one of these types with a price attached. After you've chosen your order bump product from the drop-down, scroll down to the bottom right corner of the page. Click the Publish button to save your changes and update the product. Wait a moment for the page to reload. Once it's done, you should see a confirmation message appear at the top of the screen, letting you know that your changes have been successfully published. At this point, your order bump is live and will now appear on the checkout page whenever a customer purchases that main product.